free your space from tons of adapters, mobile chargers, and bulky power stations. Introducing PowerBen. This power bank has 40,200 milliamp hours and 360 watts output power. It can power many devices you never thought you could at the same time. It's easy to power two 16-inch MacBook Pro i9s at the same time using a stable supply of electricity without overheating. Also note that PowerBen are working with a conversion efficiency of up to 98%. Now you can even charge a gaming laptop at DC 200 watts when your MacBook Pro connecting, and power a 16-inch MacBook Pro i9 at 100 PD watts. PowerBen is also the coolest solution for developers. With a double adjustable voltage function, you can adjust it to match your needs. This pocket-sized power bank can power all of your electronic devices. You can group it by the combination function with two PowerBens. E-bike or scooter can have an extra range. It's incredible that you can even use it to drive a 48-volt electric saw. With PowerBen's special high-power battery output, you can easily upgrade it from a simple power bank to a complete power station, making it the first ever power source with a dual function. During a sudden power outage, you can use PowerBen as an emergency backup. Power lights, cooking supplies, enjoy a movie, and enjoy your life. You can charge it in your car, charged by AC adapter, and by PD adapter. Also for solar charging. Through the smart DC power output function, you can run clean power in your life. So whether it's for a UAV, laptop, or other high-power equipment, you can use and recharge with PowerBen anytime, anywhere. Get your own PowerBen now. Make it your versatile portable charger and make any space a place for charging.
These days, everything you need to be productive needs power. Often, they all need it. And it seems like too often, they all need it all at once. Plugging everything in separately is a hassle and a mess. What if you could do away with the clutter and charge everything all at once? Introducing ScoutPro by Intelli, the first portable power bank with enough power to charge up to 5 devices at once, keeping you productive no matter what you're working on and no matter where you are. We like to say, if it's not ScoutPro, it's just a brick. Here's why. ScoutPro is built to be the hub of your productivity suite, with pass-through charging that lets you make the most of your workspace while charging devices. With its ability to charge up to 5 devices simultaneously, you can take advantage of wireless charging for your phone and smartwatch and still have 3 wired options to handle a laptop, tablet, and another accessory like earphones. We designed ScoutPro to be fully compatible with iPhone 12 MagSafe technology. With our available 100-watt GaN wall charger, ScoutPro can charge from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes and fully charge itself in under 1 hour. ScoutPro has so much flexibility because it's built upon the strongest foundation. We use next-gen Panasonic lithium graphene batteries that deliver the highest efficiency power output and have the durability to last over 2,000 charge cycles. That kind of power in our efficient design means you're able to be productive no matter where you are. ScoutPro is sized for portable powering on the go and made safe for everything, including air travel. Most of all, we back ScoutPro with a lifetime warranty. That's how confident we are in our solution to your power needs. Solve your power needs now by backing our Indiegogo campaign for ScoutPro. ScoutPro by Intelli. Because anything else is just a brick.